Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Today I am sharing another gorgeous and easy protective hairstyle for kids. If you are looking for a neat, stylish and long-lasting hairstyle for your little one, then you will love this hair tutorial. So here is the edge control I'm going to be using, but you can use your the one that is good for you. Just do you. So but this is the product I'm using for now, like I always say. So I like it. And after this, I'm going to just go ahead and line it round this way, you see. So after I line it round, I'm going to start lining it. I think I lined this hair everything into five, because inside one, then round like this I lined it, I think, into four. Yeah, into four or five, I really can't remember, but I think it's into four or five. Like if this side is five, that means everything will be six. So let's just see how we do it. So I think I do it into five. Yeah, into five. So after I session it, I use hairband. I use a hairband to just hold it, and yeah, I keep doing it. Then the last one, that's when I start maintaining the part. So after I do it this way, the reason why I session it first, just for me to get the cotton, because when I start sessioning it and I find out that some part is bigger than some part, I will have to, like, okay, uh, lose it again and start doing it. So that's why I first of all just session it first before I start clearing the part with the edge control, just like so. And another thing is, before I started the hair, I always, like, if you have been following this channel, you will know that moisturizing hair is a goal. We must do it. So I moisturize the hair and I spray the hair, but I will still be spraying it. So I added edge control inside because I just want the hair to be very smooth. Then I sprayed it. The reason why I spray inside, because I'm going to pack the hair. So I don't want the edge control I put inside to go and stay inside, like, just stay inside there. It might turn to, like, how do I say it, white or something. So I just don't want to do too much inside. So that is why I spray it, to make the edge control, like, to make it lighter. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to explain. To make it lighter, then I use colored hairband or rubber band to hold it. Yeah. So this is what I did with all the hair. So after I finish that part, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to weave this hair into three. Like, I've just one that I packed like this. So I'm going to share it into three, and I'm going to twist these three. So because I'm going to share them later. Just keep watching and see how we do it. So if it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and like, comment, and also help us to share. So our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. We appreciate you all. So this is how I'm just going to go ahead and start twisting everything. But I'm going to only do this in the front, but the back is not going to be so. Just keep watching and see how we do it. So let me just keep quiet a bit and allow you to enjoy the view. So after I also do the back, you see the hair I twisted today. You know, I told you when I said I weave one into three, like I twist it into three. So this is what I was trying to explain. Then when I pack this back, I will take one to eat out. This the same way I was going to do with the other side, which is the other side to that back. So I will not use add it to this one, then twist this one. So because the hair I'm going to put is going to fall, and yeah, that is why I didn't bother to make the back into three. So and this, you see, I when I packed the one in the front, I took one. So I share the hair into three. You see, so I when I twist the one I section in the front, I took one there. Just you see it. Then one will go up, the one will go to the other side. So after I finish everything like that, I added everything together to that one I rounded in the middle earlier. Then I just packed everything together, weave it. So after I weave it, it will still remain a little part when you are packing the hair, So I use the remaining part to just secure the edge of the hair. So this is the kinky hair I'm going to be using. Is it kinky or the kinky twist or Mali twist? Sorry, this is Mali twist. So I'm going to brush it. So I brushed it. That is why I brought out the other one because it's one, but I cut it. I just split it into two. Like I removed from one pack. That's what I'm trying to explain. And I just brush it, okay, to give me the the look I want. So after I brushed it, I took about four from the one I've not brushed. I added to it because this is what I'm going to use to secure it. So after that, I use a hairband, black hairband to tie the hair, just like so the way you are seeing it now. Then I really make sure the one I'm using is tight enough so that the hair will not fall off. So this is the four I added. So I'm going to go ahead use to work with two first, leave two aside, use to round it. What I'm doing now, I'm covering the hair that I weaved, and I'm also in that same process securing the the hair that I also added so that everything will stay well. So after I finish with those two, I will take the other two again, continue to secure it. So the reason why I was doing this is just to make the hair look more unique, more fine, and also I also try not to make the hair tight so that you should not feel uncomfortable in it. Because Bianca is one kind of person when she's not okay, she tell you straight ahead like, "Mommy, you are taking this hair out, it's paining me." So to avoid that, I had to just kind of do it, and I will always be asking her, "Is it okay?" She'll say yes. So now after I finished that part, I started using rubber band, just black rubber band to just do it. So and do you can do whichever way that is good for you. You can use thread to just tie it. You can use wool to tie it, and you can use rubber band to tie it, whichever way that works for you. Okay. So, but what I'm using now is just a black rubber band. And if you also want to make it a little bit bigger, which is the puff I'm making right now, it's also optional. All right. I just want to, this is how I just want it to be. So I keep doing it. And when I'm doing it, I will be losing the hair to make sure I get it right. See, that's why I'm doing it. I'll be losing it to make sure uh the one most especially from the beginning, it does how do I say it? Getting too tight so that to cover everything. So after I finish packing it, the remaining part I just use it to round it. So and this is the result. So yeah. So if your little one is a patient one that stay calm, this hair will not take you up to 20 minutes. You will just finish just to pack the hair, twist it, and even if you don't know how to twist, you can just roll it. Just I make this kind of tutorial before. I didn't twist it. I just roll it. And yeah. So after this, I just apply oil. The reason why I do this, not that it's really needed, but I just want to also show it that with this hair, you can also apply oil. So this is the oil I always apply on my kids' hair. It's made by me. I make it. I made it myself. So I found out that the packer was not okay. Then I shifted down. Where I put the packer before was too up. So I later shifted down and See, I could see the happiness in her eyes. She was so happy, like she liked long hair. So tell me, what do you think about this hair? I hope you like this hair. Are you going to try it on your little one? So let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much and bye for now.